I don't think so. I don't think he's that guy. Nakhona, I know ukuthi he's going to make them play. La ngisho ngizokusho lokho repeatedly ukuthi asidlali laphayana, we are grinding for our result. I think coach VV will try to play with Chippa. I was disappointed ngibona one of abafana bakhe ebalona lo unomfana uPhoyisa Mpele bemlona
yes.
I think they need that energy. Khona umfana wakaZulu ukuthi uShaka wala eLokhuzeni kaMashu. He's an exceptional talent.
Yeah, that's one for the future.
Yes, he was playing for Ravens, the Eastern Cape, and I think with those players, Lokhuzani Chippa need that type of energy. Egla Obafan and coach Vivi wasangazi ukuthi naye akabanikezi ithuba.
But I mean, he hasn't really akasetlish kahle hle.
Yeah.
So asazi.
Basedlala 2 games. Kumele at least babone mhlawumbe introducer mhlawumbe as a sub ngesecond half sibone ukuthi abadlala akhoelwa kubona.
So umdlalo ofike for example uPhoyisa. Phoyisa bengakazi adlale throughout. Would you introduce lo mdlalo udlala nePirates? Umdlalo ongakaze jaza azangena.
But how many young stars or Pirates no Sundowns no Chiefs aba introduce abadlala ama games? Why can't small teams?
They are not fighting relegation.
Look at how Arrows introduce abafana banjengo
Arrows is not fighting relegation.
I mean, but again, you have players, use those players. Laba obasebenzayo ula ukhona ngenxa yabo nje. Why can't you change?